I'm going to do the review on the Rove R2-4K camera on dash cam. It is really good. I've been having it for a little bit now, and just got nothing but good reviews on it. So this is pretty much what it looks like when it starts. Got the date, the time, shows the MPH, and then up there right next to the red dot is it shows when it's recording and how long it's recording. You could you could use the menu to fix all that, how long you want it looped for and all. But yeah, it's really a good camera. It connects to any USB port. It is highly recommended. I actually have a friend who seen it and he was like, wow. He's like, that's a dash cam? I was like, yeah. Sent him the link and he's a fan. But get it. I actually caught an accident on it and it's pretty good.
On your radio and online in HD, WQCS, NPR for the Treasure Coast.
Funding for Here and Now comes from the listeners of WBUR Boston and your NPR station. And from Indeed, an integrated hiring platform for businesses of any size to schedule virtual interviews and connect to candidates directly on the employer dashboard. More at Indeed.com/NPR.
This is Here and Now. There's still no word on when the 2022 Grammys will take place. COVID caused the ceremony to be postponed from its original January 31st date. But when it happens, soul singer-songwriter Leon Bridges could win another Grammy. He won his first in 2019 for this song, That Ain't Worth the Hand.
I better slow down, 'cause I keep tripping on words I don't wanna say. Just tell me right now, 'cause I keep seeing the signs you want me to stay.
Turn left onto Falcon Lake Boulevard Southwest, then turn right onto Gray Falcon Circle Southwest.
Sound. The album, his third, came out last July, and I spoke with him about it in August. And what better way to start than with the opening track? Let's hear it. This is Born Again, featuring Robert Glasper.
Take it slow, soaking in. Even though we miss the people that I love.
Let's start with how...
Turn right onto Gray Falcon Circle Southwest.
About you were playing a residency at Gold Diggers, which is a popular hotel and bar in East Hollywood. Describe that place to me.
You know, it has somewhat of a kind of unassuming vibe from the exterior of it.
In a quarter mile, the destination is on your left.
And we have basically been digging and searching for the right sound over the course of 2 years. And we wanted to find a place that was aesthetically inspiring, that we could just fully immerse ourselves in and cultivate this sound that was unique to me.
As I was listening to the album, I was thinking that there's an intentionality in your first two albums, specific love letters to specific times and places, but that doesn't seem to be the case with Gold Digger's sound. Where did the seeds of the songs on this third album start?
I noticed initially, you know, that I was just immediately boxed in, and I wanted to deviate from that. And so I would say the song,
The destination is on your left.
became the North Star as to how we wanted to shape all the music for this album was Motorbike.
It's whatever.